Hi, so one of the calls that we get is my machine is out of service, what do I do? And in the service department, the first thing we're going to ask you is why it's out of service. And usually most people don't know, and I just want to show you how simple it is to find out, because it certainly will narrow down understanding why it has gone out of service. This video specifically for the health sensor error, but if you find your machine and it's saying out of service, as this one is now, before you even open the door, you go right to your keypad and press the pound key. Pound key will tell you why it's out of service. So I'll push that again, and you'll see the health sensor. And it could be anything, any error that would put the machine out of service will be displayed by pressing the pound key. And this is true on the Divi vendor, the Evolution 2, the Z400, the 820, 631. Pressing the pound key will tell you why the machine was out of service, or the error that put it out of service. So now you've opened the door of your vendor, and on the Divi Evolution 2 and Evolution model machines, you've now opened your inner door here where the service keypad and the inside customer keypad are located, and hopefully you've opened your display door, which a lot of people haven't realized opened, and they're still walking around the door. So this is a nice little feature here. You can do all the work from inside the door. So the health sensor comes up just like what you saw when you pressed the pound key on the outside of the machine. Once you open the door, it's going to come up. It's an active message. You have to acknowledge it before you can do anything else, because you need to inspect your food and decide if it's safe to continue vending. So you have to acknowledge it. And as you can see, there's a choice of next. That will display if there's any other messages, such as a sold out bin, or exit. So for now, we're going to exit with the star key right down here. And we're back to the familiar change price starting point on every model machine that we've had. Now, if you've worked with our older machines, such as the Z400, you might be inclined to press this reset button to reset your health sensor error, which was correct on those older model machines. But in the Evolution 2 and Divi vendors, you should not use this reset button for anything except clearing the board and clearing the calibration data. So most of the time this is not used. So for this error, the health sensor on these model machines, we will use the load and the close routine, the same thing you do when you fill the bins on the machine. So lower left corner of the service keypad, I'm going to press the load button, and the freezer is going to open. The robot's going to fold out of the way. This is sort of, as far as the controller board concerned, you confirming that you as a human being has inspected the machine freezer contents and decided that it is suitable for vending or not suitable. But that's why the freezer is open and allow you to look inside and see if you did, say, have a power outage, if your food is compromised. We'll press the close now. Process will reverse. And we're still at change price just like always, but now if I were to put the machine in vend mode by pulling the door switch out, you'll see we're going to go right to please insert money, and the machine is ready to vend again. And hopefully your food's okay.